Some of you might be wondering, why does this guy post so many videos of his dogs? And that's a good question, but I have a good answer for that. A very simple answer. It's because my dogs are my very best friends in the world. Well, you might be wondering why I could say something like that. Well, it's pretty simple, like I said. Dogs are always there for you. They never let you down. They're always loyal. And no matter how good a human friend you have, problem is they're human. And people make mistakes. People have flaws. Everybody has flaws. But dogs, they're just totally loyal. They'll always be there for you. Which kind of leads into what I want to talk about. And it's a bit of a warning. Beware of so-called friends bearing gifts unexpectedly. Sometimes it's a nice surprise. Sometimes there's an agenda behind it. Because oftentimes when somebody tries to just give you this gift unexpectedly, it's a good sign that they betrayed you in some way. Why would they be trying to give you a gift if they betrayed you? It's to ease their own guilt. Dogs never bring you gifts.